की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hadian bala pendap iki program baro na lariti New Shillong, ke Menteri Pelatingka jong ke Sorkar Pedeng, kan Nirmala Sitharaman, kan Leit Lashai ke Sengi Syasora, banya Kynduh iki self-help group, ki FPO, bat kilak pati didi, ki bana ke jela, bat hagani ke Jinglet Syasora, kan Nirmala kan hiaru Shaduh Sohbar.
We also extend this felicitation to all the other distinguished dignitaries seated on the dais, for which I request the ushers to kindly assist.
On behalf of the citizens of our beautiful state, our Chief Minister already very eloquently thanked and explained the support that you have given to the state. We thank you. You're staying here for 4 days. Madam is visiting not only Shillong but also Cherrapunji. We are going all the way to Sohbar. So it's an inspiration for all the farmers, for young people to be able to see you, to listen to you, and to kind of take all the inspiration. We thank you so much and with a deep sense of gratitude. Also for elucidating the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister and for laying the foundation stone for 1,400 crores worth of projects in our beautiful state.